we're going to find the area bounded by the curve y equals 4 over x, y equals 3x, x equals 2, and x equals 8. So I'm going to draw the first quadrant. Since we're dealing with x equals 2 to x equals 8, and 4 over x we know is a curve. So we're talking about when x equals 2, we'll say that's 2, and we'll say that's 8. When x equals 2, we're going to get an output of 4 over 2, which is 2. And when x equals 8, we're going to get an output of 4 over 8, which is 1/2. So this is going to be a curve like that. Now, I'm going to just make this a little bit better. Let's say this goes up by 1s. There. So when we put a 2 in, we're going to get a 2 out. When we put an 8 in, we're going to get a 1/2 out. That's going to help me a little bit. It's going to be a curve. Then when we look at the curve y equals 3x, when I put a 2 in, I'm going to get a 6 out. And when I put an 8 in, I'm going to get a 24 out. So this is going to look something like this. We want to find the area bounded by these curves. So we're looking at that area right there. So we know that our integral is going to go from 2 to 8. I think that's very clear. We know that the graph on top, the higher output graph, is 3x. So we're going to write that first. And then we're going to subtract from that the lower graph, which is 4 over x. So we're going to find the definite integral from 2 to 8 of 3x minus 4 over x dx. And I think once we set that up, it's pretty clear how we do this. The antiderivative of 3x is going to be 3x squared over 2 minus 4 over x squared. So sorry about that, not 4 over x squared, minus 4 times the natural log of x, because you have the integral. We'll take that minus 4 to the outside, and we've got 1 over x, and the integral antiderivative of 1 over x is natural log of x, right? So we have that, negative 4 natural log of x. And we're going to evaluate that from 2 to 8. So let's put the 8 in first. So let's put this 8 in first. We're going to have 3 times 64 over 2 minus 4 times the natural log of 8. Then we're going to subtract from that all of, let's put in the 2 now. So I'm going to put that in parentheses. 3 times 4 over 2 minus 4 natural log of 2. And we're just about done. It's just the arithmetic now. So 3 times 32 is 96 minus 4 natural log of 8 minus 6 minus 4 natural log of 2. 96 minus 6 is 90. We've got minus 4 natural log of 8 plus 4 natural log of 2. Now, if you got this far, you should feel really good about yourself with the calculus and the arithmetic, the algebra. But there is one more step we have to do, and that has to do with logarithms. So I see a 2 cubed right here, and then that 3 is going to come out front. So we've got 90 minus 4 times 3 natural log of 2 plus 4 natural log of 2. So this is minus 12 natural log of 2 plus 4 natural log of 2. That's a negative 8 natural log of 2. Now this is one way to write it, but 2 to the 8th, again, this is arithmetic that we should know. 2 to the 8th is 16 times 16. And 16 times 16 is 256. So this could be written 90 minus the natural log of 256.